You place the awning with the inside facing up on the ground. The side walls can stay inside the awning and of course can remain unzipped. First you lay the middle strip on the roof. Lay the side walls on the roof slightly past the seam inwards. Then you put the protective film over the windows. Then fold the mesh triangles inwards, making sure that the zippers are away from the windows. You also do this on the side where the thread is. You put the tent bag next to the awning to see how wide you have to fold it. You make smaller folds if the tent bag is large. Fold the two side walls. The outside is now on the top. One turn from the window to the door and then one turn from the door so that the window is protected. Then you fold and put the two front walls on the roof. Now you can roll up the awning and put it in the tent bag. Make sure that you roll the awning up towards the thread.